Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2025 Kawasaki 1100 SX. This is the SE version with the upgraded suspension and brakes, ABS brakes. This bike's got a lot of features. Fuel injected, 4-cylinder, 135 horsepower. It's got cruise control, heated electric grips. It's got a USB type outlet, 4.3-inch all-digital TFT instrumentation, smartphone connectivity with voice command via Rideology app, 469 pounds dry weight, curb weight's 516. It also has economical ride indicator, electronic cruise control, Kawasaki traction control, Kawasaki intelligent anti-lock brake system, power modes, Kawasaki cornering management function, Kawasaki quick shifter, and IMU enhanced chassis orientation awareness, 6-speed return shift with wet multi-disc manual assist and slipper clutch. This bike is loaded. Come on by and make your Kawasaki sport touring dreams come true. Olin's rear suspension. This thing is a beast. Gorgeous. Adjustable windscreen. Brembo brakes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.